We winning. Please don't hate it.
Yeah. I feel great. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. Before.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead again and like, subscribe, comment if you guys are learning anything. And let me know if you've been taking some of these trades along with me. I mean, now that, I put out a few videos, you guys see a few of the confluences that I use. Hopefully you guys are able to use them for yourselves. So today, we're going to go back and talk about the US30 trade that took place here on Wednesday the 3rd. When I took this trade, I already had an understanding that, okay, I want, we're already sitting very close to all-time highs if we hadn't already made them. So I'm wanting the news, right? I know that we got good news coming out. I can see, when I'm using things like my FX book or FX Street for news, I can usually see what the consensus is going to be. So when I see them start to come out reacting towards, whatever the consensus was saying, hey, it's starting to show, okay, we're going to go bullish, which is great, right? We got our accumulation pretty much all day. They come out, they fake out, boom, they bring it right into this little point, and you can see how much volume enters the market here just by taking out, checking out the consolidation, all the price action. So I'm looking at this and I'm actually not reacting to it because, again, this is the first wave of the news. If you're in my academy, you know about the divergent news setup that we go through. So let's take a little bit of a look at what happens. They form the W. They come into the institutional, right? Notice how this is the 36,000. This is the big. Boom, they come and retest the institutional. After the retest, they bring it down for one more stop hunt. So they've induced sellers, and they also trapped buyers who were trying to trade this news without listening to what the Federal Reserve was going to have to say for the day. So we get the second wave, and now look what happens. They don't spend as much time in the area that they're going to take off from, but boom, we get the huge news rally. That for me was my confirmation on my directional bias, which again was long. So once I see that coming in right after the Fed news, I'm like, all right, it's time to play. So we'll take a look here at where my entry was. Boom. Reason why I got in slightly before the kill zone is because we had already come to the kill zone. We broke under and we retested. So to see us come all the way back up to the kill zone in one candle, I know, okay, I know where they're trying to go. We're looking for a break and retest, right? So that's why I'm going to keep my stop loss under this liquidity, under the break and retest here and this is the kill zone that I'm referring to, but look at how the kill zone is right at the institutional as well. So they come up to the zone, they start playing a little bit, and then boom, we get another large break right through. So now this is where, okay, we've broken through. Now I just want to see the retest. I mean, guys, this is why we use the levels. Look at this break and retest, clean as can be, literally as clean as can be. They take off, boom, deep into profit, right to the 36.2, and then they stopped for the day. So up here is where I took some partials, had about 1,600 pips on this, I believe. So this is what's actually interesting about this trade. I took off about, I'd say like 95 to 97% of my trade here, but I left some running. Now, if you understand an equities market, you understand that they are meant to trend and that you really shouldn't be a bear around all-time highs. So since I'm long already, I have a great entry under the institutional. I'm expecting them to, well, I'm already expecting them to keep continuing, but I'm expecting to see us come back and retest the institutional, right? And not just fly all the way through it and come stop me out. Because again, I've already scaled out so heavily that even if they come back to my stop loss, I can't lose the trade. So that gave me the confidence to sit and wait and say, okay, boom, what are they going to do when they get back down to the 36,000 big? They came right back down. They respected it beautifully. I mean, look, bro, if anybody tells you these levels doesn't work, I want you to just laugh in their face and send them to my institutional levels video. boom, perfect price action. They take off, and the partial that I had went for an extra. I believe it went for an extra 1,600 pips itself. So still got that same entry from back here. Might as well just draw it out because I'm still holding this trade. This was through the NFP report. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Through the NFP report, through literally all of it. All of the news that's come out this Friday on the 20, or excuse me, this is the 5th here. So guys, we're at fresh all-time highs, right? I broke down this trade. There's no need to make it complex. I waited for the first set of news, caught the second set, waited to get myself a decent entry. Had a great small stop loss. This is a 50 pip stop loss on US30. So I don't know too many people out there with that type of precision, but if you guys are looking for it, this is where it's at. I'm telling you, right? Very easy play. Netted about, again, 3,000 pips total so far. So hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown. Again, these are very simple confluences, guys. So if you're using them for yourselves to get into some plays, go ahead and throw it in the comments. Let me know if it's working for you. If you guys are interested in the academy, my email is always going to be in these videos in the description. So send me an email about how you can join. And again, guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.